Welcome back to the Ultimate Pronunciation course. We're so glad to be here with you to learn the next core sound. Are you ready? All right, let's get into it. You often hear the sound in words like thanks, nothing, and month. Is an unvoiced consonant sound, so you won't feel any vibration in your vocal cord. You can find it here in the IPA chart. Now, let's move on and learn how to pronounce the sound. To make this sound, you first open your mouth slightly, like this. Then, put the tip of your tongue between your teeth. The tip of your tongue needs to be sticking out between your teeth, like this. Remember, just your teeth should slightly touch your tongue. Don't bite it, or else you won't be able to make the sound. Look closely at the diagram here to check the position of your tongue. Okay, now push the air through the gap between your tongue and the top front teeth, like this. Remember, your vocal cords won't vibrate as is an unvoiced consonant sound. Go ahead and give it a try now. Good job! Now let's get to practice. Okay, now we're going to practice making the sound using our three-stage technique. Don't forget to hold the sound for 3 seconds for the first time. Now you try. Pause and give yourself some time to practice if you need it. Next, we'll use the sound in some words. Remember our 3 words from the beginning? Please repeat after me. Thanks. Nothing. Month. Let's repeat, but this time we're going to use rising and falling intonations. Remember to say them after me. Thanks, thanks. Nothing, nothing. Month, month. Excellent job. The sound is always spelled as TH, as in think, bathroom, and worth. But sometimes TH can be pronounced another way. We'll get into that in another lesson later on. Here is something you should remember to pronounce correctly. Firstly, remember to slide your tongue forward enough to rest between your teeth. Don't keep it in your mouth, or else will sound like s. Listen. Think. Sink. Think. Sink. Secondly, don't stop the airflow between your tongue and the top front teeth. Otherwise, it may sound like t. Listen to my example. Thank. Tank. Thank. Tank. Finally, keep your lips relaxed and still. Your tongue, not your lower lip, slightly touches your top front teeth, or else it will sound like f. Listen carefully. Thin, fin. Thin, fin. Ultimately, the correct position of your tongue is between your top and bottom teeth. Please practice the words with me. Think, sink. Thank, tank. Thin, fin. You did really well. After this, you're ready to move on to video number 2 for a bit more practice. Bye!
Think. Think. Theater. Theater. Thirty. 30. Thrill. Thrill. Thunder. Thunder. Something. Something. Nothing. Nothing. Birthday. Birthday. Author. Author. Anthem. Anthem. With. With. Both. Both. Strength. Strength. Mouth. Mouth. Tooth. Tooth.
Welcome back. Now we're going to practice making the th sound. We'll put the sound into words and then put the words into sentences. Remember the 3-stage technique? That's right. We will hold the sound for 3 seconds for the first time. Here we go. Let's start with th at the beginning of the words. Thanks. Thanks. Think. Throw. 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 Through. 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 Theater. 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 Thrilling. 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 It's your turn now. Well done. Now, our next set of words has the th sound in the middle. Let's say them together 3 times each. nothing, nothing, nothing. Something, something, something. Birthday, birthday, birthday. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. Wealthy, wealthy, wealthy. Now you try. Wow, good job. Those words got pretty tough, huh? All right, now our last set of words has the th sound at the end of the words. Are you ready? Here we go. With, with, with. Month, month, month. Worth, worth, worth. Growth, growth, growth. 15th, 15th, 15th. It's your turn to do it. Excellent. Give yourself a pat on the back. Those weren't easy, were they? Okay, now that we're comfortable making the th sound in lots of different words, we're going to try putting those words into some sentences. Are you ready? Here we go. This month, we will throw a birthday party. This month, we will throw a birthday party. Can you say it? Go ahead. Great job. Okay, now we'll do another one. Nothing is worth more than your health. Nothing is worth more than your health. It's time for you to try. Nice work. Okay, next, let's try a longer sentence. With steady growth, I hope to become wealthy. With steady growth, I hope to become wealthy. Go ahead, give it a try. Wow, great job. We only have 2 more sentences to go, but they will keep getting harder. Are you ready? Say them with me. I want to get something thrilling for my birthday. I want to get something thrilling for my birthday. See if you can do it. Excellent. Okay, now we're almost done, but this last one won't be easy. I hope you're ready. Say it with me now. Nothing worked in the bathroom at the theater on the 15th. Nothing worked in the bathroom at the theater on the 15th. Now you try. How'd you do? Did you say all of the words? I'm so proud of you. I'm sending you a big gold star for all of your hard work. I hope you're feeling more comfortable with this core sound now. If you want to spend a little more time on it, please go ahead and replay this lesson as many times as you like. After that, I'll see you again in day 9, where we'll be diving into our next core sound. See you then. Bye-bye.
Johnny is always scared by thunder. Jenny went to the dentist because she had a loose tooth. You're turning 30? We will throw you a big birthday party. Matthew didn't go to Massey Theater with his brother. Hearing her country's anthem was both thrilling and moving for her. There were 33 thieves at the theater at 3 o'clock. Matthew thought Theodore thought of thanking Martha. Both triathletes have their 33rd birthday on Thursday. The thought of the Temple Theater thrills the thin twins. Next time you hear thunder, just think of something funny.
Like monkeys?
Yeah, two monkeys, both with big ears and a small mouth.
And the thunder could make them both bump into each other.
Yeah,
I don't think thunder will scare me anymore.
What did it feel like winning the triathlon?
Thrilling. Something very, very special.
And you cried during the playing of your country's anthem.
Yes, with both my parents in the audience. It was something I'll never forget.
And what are your plans tonight?
If I have the strength, I'll party with my family and friends.